The Huanherad 4500PSI electric pressure washer is designed to deliver impressive cleaning power thanks to its robust 2,000-watt motor and advanced pump technology. With its patented Pro Pump, this pressure washer guarantees long-lasting durability and reliability by incorporating high-resistance components sourced from Germany. The upgraded leak-proof design, featuring professional-grade metal adapters and a double O-ring hose, ensures a hassle-free and secure cleaning experience. This pressure washer is equipped with an efficient total stop system that conserves energy and extends the life of the equipment by automatically shutting off when not in use. For added convenience and flexibility, the washer includes premium accessories such as a 20-foot rubber hose, 4 quick-connect nozzles, and a 500 milliliter foam cannon. The Huanherad pressure washer also prioritizes safety with its 35-foot power cord that includes a built-in spray gun security lock and an IPX5 impervious rating.